What if I told you that we might not be alone on Earth? Yes, you heard that right. I'm not talking about distant planets or far-off galaxies. I'm talking about the possibility that advanced extraterrestrial beings could already be here, hiding among us. Sounds crazy, right? But some of the world's top scientists are saying it might not be as far-fetched as it seems. Just imagine for a second. For decades, we've been looking up at the stars, searching for signs of life, building bigger telescopes, and using advanced AI to scan the skies. But what if the answer has been much closer this whole time? Scientists from Harvard and beyond are starting to ask, could these beings be blending into our world, hidden in plain sight? I know, it's hard to believe, but as you'll see, there are growing reports of unexplained aerial phenomena, things that defy the laws of physics as we know them. Could they be proof of something we've been too blind to see? Hold on, because what we're about to explore might just change the way you look at the world. For years, the idea of alien life was something we only dreamed about in science fiction, but today, it's a reality that scientists are seriously exploring. Advanced telescopes, supercomputers, and artificial intelligence are being used in ways we've never seen before, all in search of one thing: life beyond Earth. But here's the twist. What if we've been looking in the wrong direction? What if, instead of searching the stars, we should be looking right here on our own planet? Some researchers believe it's possible that these extraterrestrial beings might already be among us, hidden underground or even blending into human society. It's a theory that sounds like it belongs in a movie, but the more you dig into the science, the more intriguing it becomes. With growing reports of unexplained aerial phenomena and governments around the world taking these sightings more seriously, it's time to rethink what we consider impossible. Curious to know where this might lead? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. There's so much more to uncover, and you won't want to miss it. Here's where things start to get really interesting. Even with all the advancements in technology and science, the question remains, why haven't we found clear evidence of extraterrestrial life? Well, what if the answer is that they don't want to be found? Some scientists believe that an advanced civilization could be hiding from us on purpose, using technology far beyond our understanding. Think about it. If they're more advanced, they could be observing us without us even knowing it. It's a mind-bending thought, but it's one that more and more researchers are seriously considering. Over the years, thousands of reports of strange phenomena in the sky have surfaced. Unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, which we now call UAPs, Unidentified Aerial Phenomena. Most of these sightings were dismissed, called hoaxes or just misidentified weather balloons, but now, military organizations and government agencies are starting to admit that some of these events can't be explained by conventional science. What if these objects are not just random occurrences, but signs of something, or someone, intentionally hiding from us? The biggest challenge here is the lack of hard evidence. Without undeniable proof, many people remain skeptical, and rightly so. After all, we live in a world where evidence is everything. But that hasn't stopped a growing number of scientists from exploring these theories. From Harvard to NASA, experts are investigating the possibility that these UAPs could be connected to an advanced form of life, either from deep space or, even more shockingly, from right here on Earth. It's a mystery that continues to fuel debates and research. But the question remains, if these beings exist, why haven't they made themselves known? Are they studying us? Are they waiting for the right moment? Or perhaps they are so advanced that revealing themselves to us would be like trying to explain quantum physics to an ant. It's a humbling thought, one that makes us reconsider our place in the universe and what we might still not understand. Now, let's dive into some of the more fascinating theories being explored. One idea that's gaining traction is the possibility of ultraterrestrials, beings that aren't just from another planet, but could exist in different dimensions right alongside us. Imagine a form of intelligence that's not bound by the same physical limitations we are. They could be here, interacting with our world in ways we can't even perceive, slipping in and out of our reality. It sounds like science fiction, but some scientists are saying it might be more possible than we think. What's even more mind-blowing is that these beings might be able to manipulate time and space, moving through different eras of history, observing humanity from a perspective we can't begin to understand. They could be studying us across different points in time, learning about us in ways we can't comprehend. It's not just about traveling through space anymore. It's about traveling through time and interacting with our world on a level that we're only starting to theorize. These ideas might seem far-fetched, but when we look at the unexplained phenomena that continue to baffle scientists, strange lights in the sky, objects that move in ways we can't explain, the possibility of ultra-terrestrial life starts to make more sense. If these beings are real, they could be the key to understanding not just our future, but our past as well. It's a whole new way of looking at the universe, and it raises more questions than answers, but that's what makes it so exciting. So, where does that leave us? We're standing on the edge of an incredible mystery, one that could redefine everything we know about life, the universe, and our place within it. While we haven't yet found solid proof of these advanced civilizations or ultra-terrestrial beings, the fact that we're even entertaining these possibilities shows just how much we're beginning to question the reality around us. We're at a tipping point where the discoveries of tomorrow could change everything. But here's the thing. The absence of evidence doesn't mean the absence of existence. Scientists are pushing the boundaries of what we know, using the latest technologies to search for signs that could prove we're not alone. Every unexplained sighting, every unidentified aerial phenomenon brings us one step closer to answers that could shake the very foundation of human understanding. And whether we find life out there in the stars, or right here on Earth, hidden in ways we never imagined, one thing is clear. We're only just beginning to scratch the surface. The future holds incredible possibilities, and who knows, the answers might be much closer than we think.